Good morning, grade 6. This is the first time that I'm going to record our lesson for science, quarter 1, module 1, lesson 1, describing mixtures. Types of mixtures there are two major types of mixtures. We have heterogeneous and homogeneous. When we say heterogeneous mixture, it means different. You can see the different pieces of the mixture easily, while homogeneous mixture means the same. You cannot see the different parts or pieces of the mixture. Homogeneous mixtures. Components of the mixtures are distributed uniformly. One sample of the mixture is exactly the same as another. Only one phase of matter is visible. And when we say homogeneous mixture, one word or clue for homogeneous mixture, it is often called solutions. Kung makikita nyo sa ibaba, ang nakalagay na example dyan ay Kool-Aid. Another example here is yung tang na palagi nyo tinitimpla. Those mixtures are called homogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures. In this kind of mixture, you can distinguish all the components. Kapag sinabi namang heterogeneous mixtures, kung na-try nyo nang kumain ng salad, halo-halo, and others, let's have for example halo-halo. When you eat halo-halo, kung nakakain na kayo ng halo-halo, maa-identify nyo kaagad kung ano yung mga ingredients na nakahalo doon sa halo-halo. And halo-halo is an example of heterogeneous mixtures. Why? Because this kind of mixtures, you can distinguish all the components. Example of homogeneous mixture. In this kind of mixture, you cannot distinguish the component. For example, when you make coffee, kapag nagtimpla kayo ng kape, pinatimpla kayo ng kape, kapag uminom kayo, natunaw na yung mga solute na nilagay mo doon sa kape. Kaya you cannot distinguish the mixture that you have added into the coffee. So you have some examples of homogeneous mixture here. You have milkshake, orange juice, tomato soup, chocolate, and others. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures, we have chocolate chip cookies, pizza, toast salad, and sandwich. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures, you have definition here and examples. Medyo malabo, kaya basahin ko sa inyo. Homogeneous mixtures, it is the mixture in which the components are uniformly distributed throughout its volume and cannot be seen properly. Kaya nga, sinabi ko kanina sa inyo, ang pinaka one-word clue for homogeneous mixture, it is a solution. You cannot identify the different kind of mixture that is being added into a homogeneous mixture, while heterogeneous mixture in which the components are not uniformly distributed throughout the volume and can be easily seen separately. And when we say heterogeneous mixture, alam mo kaagad and you can separate the different kinds of mixture being added. A good example of heterogeneous mixtures is yung salad, yung halo-halo. Now that you know all about heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures, I am sure you are now ready to answer the module. Let's summarize your module. Let's begin on page number 2. What I know. Which of the following is a mixture? Okay, saan dyan yung mixture na nakikita nyo? From the picture given below, you have letter A, you have yung mga parang beans siguro yan, and you have letter C, yung log, wood log. Letter B, you have the drawing of a sun, and letter D, you have here a solid material. From the four options below, which of the following is a mixture? Saan dyan yung may iba't ibang klase ng mixture? Diyan Pangasinan, ang titawag to may mixture, yung mga pinaghalo-halong iba't ibang klaseng bagay. Mixture yun. Yun yung number 1. And then from number 2, mixture can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. A sachet of 3-in-1 coffee contains coffee, sugar, and powdered cream. Making it heterogeneous when hot water is being poured into the 3-in-1, it turns homogeneous. What idea supports the said occurrence? Okay, nandyan yung sa number 2, nagtimpla ng 3-in-1 coffee. You have here the different options ulit. You select from the answer A, B, C, or D. And number 3, which of the following are homogeneous mixture? Ano na yung clue word nyo kapag sinabing homogeneous mixture? One word, it is a solution. While heterogeneous mixture are different substances or phases. Maraming pinaghalo-halo naman kapag heterogeneous. So, alam nyo na yan probably kasi na-explain ko na doon sa una. So, from number 7, let's go back to number 7. A pizza is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Explain why it is classified as such. Kung nakatikim na ba kayo ng pizza, kung hindi pa kayo nakatikim at yung iba nakatikim na, sabi dito sa number 7, na-identify daw na si pizza ay heterogeneous mixture. Bakit mo sasabihin na si pizza ay heterogeneous mixture? You explain your answer. That is number 7. So, number 8, you have to classify the following mixtures in their proper column. These are the different kinds of mixture, and below we have 2 tables, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. I-grupo nyo, you need to group the following mixtures dito sa table below. Ilalagay nyo, for example, si alcohol, saan mo ba ilalagay? Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Si iron, saan mo ba ilalagay? Sa homogeneous ba o sa heterogeneous? And so on and so forth. Nandiyan na yung mga different kinds or different examples of mixtures. Next, for number 9, you have to list 5 mixtures that can be found in your kitchen. Punta kayo sa kitchen nyo. Kunin nyo yung notebook nyo and ballpen. Isulat nyo yung mga makikita nyong mixtures sa kitchen nyo. Kahit ito man ay homogeneous, ito man ay heterogeneous mixture. And number 10, Sahaya likes to eat banana Q during recess time. Together with her friend, Ahmad, can you name the components of mixtures used in making banana Q? Na-try nyo na bang magluto ng banana Q? Ang tinatanong dito sa number 10, ano-ano yung mga ingredients, yung mga rekado nyo para makagawa kayo ng banana Q. You just have to name 3. Ano yung 3 na main mixtures ng banana Q? So congratulations, you are now done from exercise number 1 to 10. Let's now have what's in. Punta na tayo dito sa page 4. Nakalagay na dito yung what's in. So, what's in naman, ang gagawin nyo is to draw from the box or illustrate how the particles of matter are arranged in the following objects. I-drawing nyo dyan. Diba napag-aralan nyo from your previous grade, yung solid, liquid, and gas. Mag-drawing kayo ng mga bilog-bilog dyan sa 3 squares. Kung dito sa first square, ang i-drawing nyo solid. Dito sa second square, ang i-drawing nyo liquid. And sa third square, ang i-drawing nyo gas. Ang i-drawing nyo dyan, yung illustration ng particles ng solid, liquid, and gas. Kapag solid, tawag dito, dikit na dikit sila. And then liquid, nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay ng konti. And gas, talagang hiwa-hiwalay na siya. Yun yung kailangan kong makita na drawing nyo dito sa 3 boxes below. Okay, next. We are now again in mixtures. Okay, examples again. Balik tayo ulit doon sa pinag-aralan natin na nauna. Ano ulit yung dalawang klase ng mixtures? We have 2 kinds of mixtures, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Another clue, when we say homogeneous, it is uniform, and heterogeneous, it is non-uniform. When we say uniform, hindi mo madidistinguish kung ano yung mga different kinds of mixture na pinaghalo-halo. Dito sa heterogeneous mixture, non-uniform, madidistinguish mo, makikilala mo kung ano-ano yung mga pinaghalo-halong mixtures dyan sa non-uniform. Mixtures, ano ba ang tinatawag nilang mixtures? Mixtures are combination of 2 or more substances that can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures appears uniform throughout because they have the same proportion. Heterogeneous mixtures are not uniform in proportion where combined substances are not evenly spread or mixed. Okay, from the description above, you are now ready to answer what is it below. So for the direction, from the short information that you have read about mixtures, answer the following questions and write the answer in your notebook. Hindi dito sa module, you write your answers in your notebook. First question, ilang beses na nating pinag-aralan na define what is a mixture. Number 2, what are the two types of mixtures? Number 3, fill in the blanks to complete the following sentences. Homogeneous mixtures appears blank, while heterogeneous mixtures appears blank. Maa-answeran niyo yung blank-blank na to kung nabasa nyo yung nasa above description. You try to read carefully so that you can answer what is it. Next, you have number 4. A homogeneous is a blank mixture while a heterogeneous is a blank mixture. In number 5, in the given illustration of the previous page on homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures, give examples similar to it. Maglista kayo ngayon ng example ng homogeneous at heterogeneous. Alam nyo na yan kung ano, homogeneous, ano yung palagi kong sinasabi na one word for homogeneous? It referred to as solution, while heterogeneous, solid yan. Solid, liquid, and gas yung heterogeneous kasi marami siyang different kinds of mixtures, different substance or pieces na naka-include doon sa heterogeneous. Next, let's go to what's more. For your direction, you have classify the mixture below as homogeneous or heterogeneous and write the answer in your journal. For number 1, magnet. Ano ang masasabi mo kay magnet? Kapag when you group these different kinds of pictures, when you classify, is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Seeds, yung mga buto. Clouds, fruits, and lugaw. Lugaw yung number 5. Number 6, you have alum, tawas dissolved in water. Number 7, you have paint. Number 8, you have palabok. Number 9, you have alcohol. And number 10, you have macaroni salad. Ang isasagot nyo dito, homogeneous or heterogeneous. Next, malapit na tayong matapos. What I have learned. Ano ba yung natutunan nyo sa araw na to, sa lesson na to? I learned that mixtures are the combination of blank substances that can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures are blank, while heterogeneous mixtures are blank. Paulit-ulit na yan. So, alam nyo na, I guess, yung heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. For your assessment, you need to read carefully the different options and the direction in the questions, of course. First, you have the direction. You have to choose the correct answer in each number. Use separate sheet for your answer. Number 1 question, which of the following mixtures is heterogeneous? Ano ulit yung heterogeneous? Ang heterogeneous yung maraming pinaghalo-halo, solid, liquid, or gas. While homogeneous mixtures, ito yung one word, it is a solution. Number 2, your mother prepared pinakbet for lunch. How will you describe its ingredients? Nakatikim na kayo, I am sure, yung pinakbet, ano-ano yung mga mixture na pinaghalo-halo ni nanay para maging masarap yung pinakbet. Kapag alam mo at madidistinguish mo, makikita mo o makukuha mo, mahahandpick mo yung mga different kinds of ingredients na nakalagay sa pinakbet. So, anong klaseng mixtures yun? Select from the option A, B, C, or D. And number 3, a vinegar move with soy sauce. Mix pala. A vinegar mixed with soy sauce is homogeneous mixtures because bakit daw yung vinegar na nahalo sa soy sauce ay homogeneous? Bakit siya homogeneous mixture? Pili kayo dito sa A, B, C, or D. Next, number 4. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixtures? Saan dyan ang homogeneous mixtures? You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 ba? Ay 1 sa letter A, 1 and 3 ba? Sa letter B, 1 and 4. Sa letter C, 2 and 4. Or letter D, 1 and 2. And number 5, Divine prepares a mixture of salad mixed with mayonnaise, carrots, cucumber, lettuce, and cheese. What type of mixture is Divine's salad? What do you think? Gumawa na ba kayo o na-try nyo na bang gumawa ng salad? Maraming pinaghalo-halong mga ingredients when you make salad. Vegetable salad. Ngayon, kapag pinaghalo-halo mo lahat iyon, anong klaseng mixtures ang mabubuo? Is it heterogeneous or homogeneous mixture? And then, from the last direction, you have combine two or more substances to form a mixture. Less down your combination in the table below. For example, ano-ano yung mabubuo yung combination para makabuo kayo ng isang mixture. Kapag gagawa kayo ng kape, ano yung combination na dapat pagsamahin? Bigyan ko kayo ng example. Dito sa homogeneous, you have calamansi extract and vinegar. Sa heterogeneous mixture, example here is seeds and sun. Ngayon, maa-identify nyo na yung mga different combinations na dapat nyong pagsamahin into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Saan kayo pipili? You choose from the option of the different mixtures dito sa box. And for the last exercise, you have additional activities. You need to complete the diagram and write the answer in your notebook, not in your journal or your module. Ilalagay ito sa inyong science notebook. Mixtures, ano yung dalawang klaseng mixtures na pinag-aralan natin, and from the two kinds of mixtures, isulat nyo yung mag-isip kayo ng 10 halimbawa, 10 examples of the first mixtures na nandito, and then 10 examples na nandito sa right and left boxes. So, that's all grade 6. Congratulations for the job well done. You are now done with Science 6, Module 1, Quarter 1, Week 1. Congratulations and God bless.